जय अम्बे गौरी मैया तू है श्यामा गौरी। दुर्गा है तू माँ, तू है शेरों वाली माँ। अम्बे तू है जगदम्बे काली, जय दुर्गा तू है खप्पर वाली। जय अम्बे गौरी माँ मैया तू है श्यामा गौरी। Hi, hello, and welcome to Infobot Somya channel. How are you? I hope all of you are good at seeing and watching our Infobot Somya channel. People who are watching first time Infobot Somya channel, to them I want to tell you Infobot Somya is a spiritual channel where we learn Hindu culture, Stotra Mantra, Granth Pathanas, and we keep visiting spiritual places. People, this year, Shardya Navratra already started. Yes, it started on 22nd of September 2025 and it will end on 2nd of October 2025, which will be the Dashera or Vijayadashmi of this year 2025. Yes, we have already celebrating this Shardya Navratra from last 8 to 9 days. This year, Shardya Navratri has appeared or fall as a 11 days festival. Yes, usually it is of 9 to 10 days, but this year Shardya Navratra will fall for 11 days. Yes, from 22nd of September to 2nd of October 2025. Shardya Navratra is a festival of dedicated Ma Durga, symbolizing its victory of good over evil. Today, let's understand its importance, birth, puja vidhi, and the divine significance of Dashera on Infobot Somya channel. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned on Infobot Somya channel. Let's learn what is the importance of Navratri Mahatma. Navratri, meaning the 9 nights, is the period when we worship 9 forms of Ma Goddess Durga. शैलपुत्री ब्रह्मचारिणी, चंद्रघंटा कुष्मांडा, स्कंद माता कात्यायनी माँ, कालरात्रि माता, महागौरी माँ, and last one, ninth god, female god, the Siddhidatri Mata. Each day carries spiritual energy, helping us purifying our body, mind, and soul. These 9 days we need to do vrata or fasting for entire 9 days. We need to be very dedicated upon the feet of Ma Durga or upon the feet of 9 forms of Mata Rani, and we need to do fasting for these 9 days. Devotees observe fasting during Navratri to maintain purity, self control. Some observant do Nirjala fast. Nirjala means without food and without water, while others take fruits, milk, or sattvic food like farala, khichdi, and some fasting food like vegetable food they take. The vrata strengthens devotion and invokes blessings of Ma Durga. Usually, India is having different kind of vrata significance, importance, and vidis. Vidis are nothing but ritual. But what I know, the puja ritual of this Navratri, let's learn what it is. Begin with a clean and sacred place in your home. Place an idol, a picture of Ma Durga or any Devi Ma or any female god which you dedicate upon her feet very heartily, very inside from your pouring your complete heart. Let's decorate with altar, perform kalash Stapana. Kalash Stapana is nothing but the Ghata Stapana. Kalash is nothing but the kind of a pot of soil you need to take and you need to decorate it with haldi kumkum like roli and haldi you need to offer on it or apply on it by like drawing a swastik symbol on that kalash or ghada or on that soil pot, and you need to put in your puja ghar or a calm place of your house, which we call it as a Ghatastapana. You need to add some soil into that kalash or that pot, and you need to add or fill some place mango leaves, coconut on top, then some raw grain like wheat, jawar, rice upon that on that filled with that pot along with holy of water. Then fresh water you need to pour every day to that kalash, and just you need to see 9 days what happens with that kalash stapana, Ghata stapana. You'll come to know in that 9 days whatever the grains or the place of mango leaves and coconut you have been filled with that pot, it will get grew day by day. and whatever the grains will get grew very very fastly. That is a sign of this year Mata Rani will give us long or large quantity of grains. Of for example, if wheat is growing fastly, then wheat will be the large quantity grain for this year. If rice is growing fastly, the rice will be the long quantity grain for this. If jawar bajra is growing fastly, then that kind of grain will Mata Rani will give us in a large quantity. This symbolizes prosperity and peace and wealthiness to every and each house in India. Yes. Light a diya incense sticks in front of that Kalash Stapana. Then offer flowers, kumkum, haldi or roli, ashtasat, rice, fruits and sweets. Sweet you need to offer as a prasad or nevedya or bhog to Mata Rani or that Ghata Stapana. Recite Durga Chalisa, Matarani Aarti and mantras every 9 days till Dashara or till Vijayadashmi. Some people do mantra part, powerful mantras by chanting every day in front of that Mata Rani's Kalash or in front of Ma Durga or in front of your puja ghar. Some mantras are like Om Aim Brim Klim Chamundai Vichmahe. Om Aim Brim Klim Chamundai Vichmahe. Meaning of this mantra is a salutation to Goddess Chamunda who destroys all negativity and grants strength and protection to us. Chanting this mantra in this Navratri daily with devotion removes obstacles and fills our life with divine energy and positivity. Mata Rani give us positive energy and she give us good health to us and to our family. Then 9 days you need to do this upasana vrat vidhi by pouring water to that ghata stapana, pouring offering some fruits and offering bhoga to that ghata stapana. You need to do fast for 9 days. You need to stay dedicated and filled with all positive energy upon the feet of Mata Rani. Then last day will be the Dashara or Vijayadashmi of this Navratri. What is a Dashara and Vijayadashmi? Let's learn. On the 10th day, Navratri concludes with Dashara or Vijayadashmi, marking the victory of Lord Ram over Ravana and Goddess Durga over Mahishasura. Yes, Goddess Durga or Ma Tulja Bhavani Mata killed Mahishasura, who was the Asur or evil energy present at all time upon this earth, and Ma Durga killed this Mahishasura on the day of Vijayadashmi, and since then we celebrate Navratri and Vijayadashmi. Nothing but we call it as a Dashera in these days. Also, Lord Ram killed Ravana on Vijayadashmi day only. This day inspires us to conquer ego, anger, negativity, to live a life with righteousness and truth, positivity, and energetically. Ma Durga is having a very very kind nature. She blesses us with positivity, strength, wisdom, prosperity, knowledge. This Navratri and Dashara, we does not have to forget to pray Ma Durga and we need to stay dedicated upon her feet. Also, on Navratri or on Dashara day, we need to do Simo Langhan by just distributing shami flowers or shami leaves. Shami leaves are nothing but we called it a gold leaf at that day. Dashara, we some places like Maharashtra we called as the Sonata Divas. That means nothing but the gold day for all of us, and we just distribute apta leaves, shami leaves to each other by saying that Sona has Sona. That means take this gold by giving each other shami leaves, and also we do Simo Langan at the day of Dashra. Yes, some bhajanas and some kind of mantras we need to chant at the day of Dashra, and we get the devotional and useful energy for our entire life by doing this kind of distribution of shami leaves to each other. Yes, Simolangan is nothing but the one kind of ritual everyone do by going to their Kuladaivat like Kal Bhairava or Sri Khandera or Kashi Kotwal. We need to go and pray at Dashara or Vijayadashmi day to our Kuladaivat or Tulja Bhavani Ma's temple, and just we need to do Simo Lankan by going there, and just we need to stay dedicated at our Kula Daivat like Ma Tulja Bhavani Mata, Kala Bhairava Lord or Sri Khanderaya Lord or Kashi Kotwal Lord. Also, we need to do a chant some kind of powerful Bij mantras like Durga Bij mantra, Om Em Rim Klim Chamundai Viche, Om Em Rim Klim Chamundai Viche. Then Devi Suktam you need to read like Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samstita Namastasai Namastasai Namo Namaha. Then Navrana mantra is also there for Navratri. Om Reem Dum Durgai Namaha. Om Reem Dum Durgai Namaha. This invokes blessings and Durga gives us blessings. Some people do Dashera just like giving food to poor people and giving them needy things like clothes or to helping poor students also. Some people triumph good energy by removing negative energy or revealing such a bad energy from our life. Also, festival remind us to destroy ego, greed, and negativity within us. And Ma Durga defeating Mahishasura and Sri Rama defeating Ravana. That means we get Vijaya. Vijaya is nothing but the winning feeling in our life. Simollankan or Shami Pujan, especially we need to do at the Dashara day. This is a very important ritual at the Dashara day. In many parts of India, especially Maharashtra, Simollangar or crossing the village boundaries perform. People worship Shami tree, Bani tree or Akta tree. That means leaves of Shami and Akta we need to distribute and offer each other as a gold. As I say, Sona ghe Sona, take the gold and six blessing for prosperity. It is believed that Pandavas hide their weapons under the Shami tree during exile and retrieve them on Vijayadashmi. That means whispering Shami brings courageous success and wealth. That means at bad time you need to remove our bad things and we need to put courage inside us. This message Pandava gives us by offering each other Shami leaves. So let's go ahead and let's end today's Dashara and Shardiya Navratra's content by chanting to Ma Durga some mantra and just dedicating upon her feet upon Ma Durga, Ma Turja Bhavani, Ma Lakshmi and Ma Saraswati's feet, and may Ma Durga bless you. May other Devis, may other every female god bless you with her divine energy, and may Lord Ram give us victory, inspire us in our life. So, friends, let's end today's content by just dedicating upon Ma Durga's Devi's feet and upon Lord Rama's feet. And I bless you and say you happy Dashara, happy Navratri 2025 with truth and righteousness. And may God bless you. May Mata Rani, Lord Ram bless you with positivity and by completing, fulfilling your secret wishes. And let's Ma Durga and Ma Lakshmi, Ma Saraswati give us wealth, health, and knowledge in our life. May Lord Ram give us victory in our every working day and every workplaces or every some kind of things you want to do in your life. So, friends, let's end this Navratri vlog. Happy Dashara, happy Navratri to all of you, and we'll see you in the next video with the new things, with new information. Till then, stay tuned on Infogod Swami channel. Bye for now. Happy Dashara, happy Navratri. Jai Ambe Durga Ma.